Math 76, lesson 69, reducing fractions before multiplying. So this is one of those funny lessons in your book where I've accidentally already taught you guys how to do this. I've called this cross-canceling or cross-reducing, or that's usually what I call it. So now we get to learn it officially in the book, and we'll just do 3 practice problems to remind you what it is this lesson's talking about. Ta-da! Magic. Wild problems appear. Okay. Let's talk about this reducing or this cross-canceling, and we'll do multiplying fractions, right? So here we've got 2/3 times 3/4. What we can do is we can look diagonally across the fractions, and we can see that 3 and 3 are both the same number, and that they can both be divided by 3. So we'd say 3 over 3 would reduce to 1 over 1, right? Or 3 goes into 3 one time, and 3 goes into 3 one time. So that's the reducing or the canceling, as it were. And then we've got 2 and 4. Well, how many times can 2 go into 2? That's once. 2 goes into 4 2 times. So now, instead of doing 2 times 3, I would do 1 times 1, which is the new numerator, and then 1 times 2, which are the new denominators. My final answer is 1/2. Super awesome. A lot faster. Now let's see how this relates to division of fractions. Well, division of fractions, I've got one step beforehand, which is I have to invert the divisor or multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm going to go ahead and find the reciprocal of 2/3, which is 3/2, and I'll rewrite my problem. I've got 8 over 9, and it's now multiplied by the reciprocal of 3/2. Now I'm going to look for that cross-cancellation step. Let's see here. 3 and 9 are both divisible by 3. 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 9 3 times, and I've rewritten both those numbers or reduced them. And then I've got 8 and 2. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 8 4 times, so I've reduced that one. Now I multiply. 4 times 1 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. So 4/3. But then I'm going to go ahead and write my final form, or my final answer, into a proper form, not as an improper fraction. So that goes into 1 and 1/3. And that's my final answer. Last one, what if I'm multiplying mixed numbers? Well, by multiplying mixed numbers, we have that really fun extra step in the beginning of rewriting our fractions. So we have to multiply and add, multiply and add. So 3 times 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, so that becomes 10. Denominator of 3 stays, so 10/3. And 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So now I have 9. Denominator of 4 stays, so 9/4. So I'm multiplying 3/9 times, 10/3 times 9/4. Oh, really read that one wrong. Okay, now I can go to the reducing or cross-canceling step, and I can reduce 9 over 3 is like 3 over 1, and then 10 over 4 would be like 5 over 2. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times 2 is 2. And then this again also has to get reduced or rewritten as a mixed number. 2 goes into 15 7 times with 1 left over, so 7 and 1/2. Again, like I said, this is a quick video because it's something I've already taught you guys throughout the school year. I just keep forgetting in this book, to not teach you guys things too early. If you have any questions, let me know on the school website, and I will see you in the next video.